for so long, women as an entity, they have been ignored on the sidelines, looking after families.
What's happened to us during the Civil War, our culture, especially women, has been ripped away from us.
It has dehumanized some people, stigmatized. You're supposed to be ashamed of who you are. You are born into some group and you're supposed to hide your face.
Somali women are very powerful, intelligent, smart women, and who contributed a lot to our economy in Somalia specifically. But unfortunately, in a political platform, they're not well represented.
It's fundamental that 50% of their population becomes active in politics, active in economics. There has to be an equal basis where we see them as a structure for social change.
Of all the people, of all the nations and countries that have scavenged Somalia when it fell apart, the worst was the people we thought were our closest friends.
Yep.
We have already seen ambitious women who want to do good for Somalia, do good for UK, and want to take part in every sector within society. And I think one has to recognize today that they form an important 50% entity within society, economically, socially, politically, and I think that's where the debate is going.
If I wear my guntino and braided my hair, if I walked around like that in Lido Beach right now, I would be killed. And that's my dhaqan. So for me, this is why I go back to the identity. And I think what we are all talking about is acceptance.
So the debate today made me realise that, yes, Somali women, we are empowered, we are educated. What we need to do is to discuss it and also empower one another and be united and also fight against all these zipping gender inequalities within the Somali community.
And by having these conversations openly and honestly, then we can come up with realistic and doable solutions. And hopefully that will be Somali women having a bigger platform at a political level.